Hello and welcome back to the channel. Big shout out to all my new subscribers. Thank you very much for joining the channel. I hope there's a lot there that interests you. In this video today, I'm going to be unboxing and opening up two fantastic stovetop smokers for you to have a look at. If you want to own one of these smokers, I've got a discount code on my website that I'll give you at the end of the video. But before we do that, let's get into it. Let's open these up. Well, these are the two smokers. They're Cameron's Stovetop Smokers. We've got the small one here, which is known as the Mini, and we've got the larger one here, which is known as the Original. And they are both absolutely brilliant smokers. I do use these myself. So let's have a look in the Mini one first. So this is the one we're going to unbox first. It's in a lovely shiny nice cardboard box, and the first thing you see comes in a lovely plastic bag. Wonderful, protects it I guess, but you've got this lovely stainless steel box here. Beautiful, well constructed handle. Reminds me of those sort of army surplus mess tins. Really nice and sturdy. It's got a little hook on the stainless steel lid, and that opens up and detaches. And inside we have two tubs of wood chips. So we've got some hickory there, and some oak. And if I open one of these up for you, that's what you're getting. Now, when you use a Cameron's Stovetop Smoker, you only need about 1.5 tablespoons of these chips in the base of this, and that's all you need. So those should last a fair while. So digging further down into it, we've got some fantastic recipes here and instructions. So full instructions with pictures and lots of interesting details about it, with some great recipes for you to follow. If you want to have a look at my website, we've got details on how to use the smoker there, but also I've got plenty of videos on the channel where I use the Stovetop Smoker. And look at that, it's even got the instructions in French if you want to brush up your French, eh? Zut alors. Okay, great. Let's go further down into it. So we have here the rack, and this is the food rack. Again, this is all wrapped in plastic. I'll leave it in the plastic. And you have a drip tray here, which the food rack sits in, so it stops any drips getting through onto the base of the smoker. And this is the base of the smoker. This is where you put your wood chips. So where the heat's coming up through this is where you want to put your wood chips, and they will pyrolyze into smoke, come up and smoke your food. So that is the Gourmet Mini Smoker. Well, it's not the gourmet one. The gourmet version of this is the one which comes with the little tray that it sits on. So you can have it like on a camping stove or something like that. But this is an absolutely wonderful piece of kit. I've been using one of these for years now, and they are amazing. Cleaning is an absolute breeze. You can pop this all into your dishwasher. So it'll all go in your dishwasher, and you can scrub it out and it'll be like brand new. I'll show you my one, and I've had mine for it's got to be over 10 years now, and I use it regularly. Well, let's pop this back straight in and we'll get on to the Original. So like I say, the Original is much bigger. It's about the size of a large roasting tray, and it comes with the same wood chips. It comes with hickory and oak. But let me show this to you so you can actually see exactly what you're getting. Nice and easy to open. I think that shows this is brand new, doesn't it? Let's get into that. There we go. So, okay. Let's take it out the right way up. So again, comes in a nice protected plastic bag, keeps everything nice and clean, and this handle is slightly different. So this swings out like so, and that handle is big enough to get 2 hands on. I mean, it is quite a heavy smoker. That's a good couple of kilos, that, plus. So you want to get 2 hands on that. I mean, I can pick it up fine, but once it's got food in it, it does actually get quite heavy. Same slidey lid. And again, we've got the same 2 wood chips. Obviously a larger drip tray. Exactly the same instructions. And we have a slightly different drip tray. This one's got like handles on it. But again, if you look into the base there, you can see you've got that nice stainless steel construction, which is your guarantee that this is going to be in good nick for a long time. Now, a lot of questions I get asked about this: can you use it on induction? And the answer is it works on my induction. So it's something that I would say you need to try for yourself, but it certainly works on my induction hob here in the kitchen. And I'll do a very quick cut through video of that so that you can see it. Right, here we are at my induction hob, and I've got my Stovetop smoker. You can see this is quite an old one. But I'm gonna show you how it works on an induction hob. So, let's imagine we're gonna put some food in this, and I'm gonna put some wood chips in here. I'm not gonna put a lot in, I'm using whiskey oak here. Ordinarily, in there, you would put a spoon and a half, a tablespoon and a half of wood chip, but no more than that. That's all you need. Right, let's turn the induction hob on. There we go. Oh, I can feel some heat coming out of that. Yeah, there we are. So, proof if proof were needed that this works. I better turn that off. I haven't got the extractor fan on. Oh, that's going to stink the kitchen out. Beautiful stainless steel construction. And it's got a nice sort of feel to it as well. I like that. In a piece of kitchen equipment, you know you're getting quality. We'll pop this one back in the bag and stick it back in the box. But yeah, wonderful, wonderful piece of kit. If you'd like to be the proud owner of one of these, then all you need to do is go onto my website, stick in the code at checkout, SMOKE10, SMOKE10, and that will automatically apply a 10% discount on the cost of this. Go to the link, do that, and you should get one of these flying through the post to you within a couple of days, and you won't look back. If you need to check out any videos to show you how this is used, then go straight onto the channel, check out my food smoking videos. There are a couple of food smoking videos which actually talk about the Cameron Stovetop Smoker. I know that I've done some cod loin in it. I know that I've done some duck in it, and there's a few others as well. So there's plenty to choose from. Plus you've got the recipe book to guide you to do some other stuff. This will keep you smoking for ages, and you can use this on your campfire, you can use this on your outdoor stove or your barbecue as well. Brilliant bit of kit. You'll get some good use out of this, I'm sure. Well look, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a like, subscribe, click the bell icon for future content. If you've got any comments about the Cameron smoker that you want to leave us, if you use one yourself and you've got a great tip, leave that in the comments section. I do try and respond to all the comments I get, so please do feel free to leave us a comment. In the meantime, folks, happy smoking, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.